Assalamu alaikum to all parents and students. Are you looking for a marvelous and unparalleled educational environment for your child? Break-free traditional routines at dominant international school. We provide modern, forward-thinking education tailored for every child's future. We have only 20 slots left for the upcoming June-July admission session, so don't miss this opportunity. On June 19th, 20th and 21st, we are offering admission for just 16,000 Dhaka, a special prize you won't want to miss. We just don't cultivate time, we cultivate your child's brain. So hurry up, we are already busy preparing a child's brightest future. And now I'm going to the class. I'm going to take a British accent class today, and I'm going to be seeing you on the 19th, 20th and 21st. Adios, bye-bye, ciao, take care.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Walaikum salam, how are you all?